and I bought some chips for this child. The view is that one. I hope. Sneak yam. Okay. So, hello, good morning everyone. I'm in Cherrapunji right now. I came here 2 days before. I was completely sick. So when I came here, I went to a restaurant and I met a woman there. She told me to, stay here in their house. And this is Rishant. Hello, Rishant.
Hello.
Hi. And this is that madam's son. Okay. And he's really good. He was playing like. Okay, we are just going to that riverside. Okay, here in the backside there's a river. Okay, so we are going there. So he'll be with me. And he's in school, 11th standard. I'm right. You are in 11th standard in school. It's like a vacation time. So in this way we need to go. So you just go first and I follow you. Look at the house. And this way I'm right. Okay. People are washing their clothes. I'm not going down, okay, because it's not safe for me. So I don't know how to swim, so it's not safe. But a few people are there. Hello, brother. How are you? Here, these are the members here. Thank you so much, okay, because you gave me the accommodation. Thank you so much. And I bought some chips for this child. I'm going right now from here. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah. Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to the Seven Sisters Waterfall, okay. So if I get a vehicle, then I keep my bag in this shop here. I'll keep it there. No. He dropped me in the Seven Sisters Waterfall, and this is a place. That's a viewpoint. That's a building, and I show you the place. A lot of tourists here, but it was raining too much. Okay, I'll show you very fast because anytime the mist will come. So better I show you now. So this way I go up. We need to go up, and the view is that one. I hope this is the best view. Okay, I hope you can see very well. That's the Seven Sisters, the waterfall from the different side. You can see that, but it's a little bit covered with the fog. Okay, let me zoom out. I hope you can see clearly. And that is going, that's a river. It's an amazing view from here. Okay, the drinks, the food, everything we get from here. So the kind of shop. So these are the things we get from here, and the handmade things. Hi, morning.
15.
These are the things available here.
18.
Bags. A lot of handmade things are here, okay? It's really good. I don't know who will sell this one. And here, and this one, look, the rhino and the elephant. There is also a river, the small river. I'll show you that one. And but that gate is closed, okay? That one is closed. But still we can see from here, from this side. This is a river. Look, here also a small waterfall there. There's a bridge, but I cannot go inside, it's closed. Let me go this side. So, this is the way, okay. So, this is a place, the Seven Sisters Waterfall. The Meghalaya's, the biggest waterfall, the very famous waterfall, okay. The bold depth. Hi, good morning, how are you? Hi. How is this place? You live here in this place?
No.
No?
No, Snikyang.
Huh?
No, Snikyang.
Snikyang? Ah, okay. So, you, how long you been running this business here? How long?
1 year.
1 year? Ah, okay. 1 year they have been doing this business here, and all kind of things here available, the Maggie and the fruits. Don't throw rubbish, violators will be 200 per head. You know, I had a doubt also, okay, when I saw this name here, Noksangitiang Fall. It's a local name here, okay, in Meghalaya. Here the people call this waterfall this name, and for the tourists like around the world, this fall is famous like in the name of the Seven Sisters Waterfall. It's an amazing view. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.